Okay, guys, it's been 5 hours. Well, no, actually, it hasn't been 5 hours. I just was getting too bored to actually wait the 5 hours. Do have a timer going off for 5 hours. But I think this is enough. Oh, we're popping. We're gonna need more money for this, though. Let's rebirth real quick. I think this is our last one. So we have Rebirth 9, making more money than before. I think it's a good idea to upgrade our mythical trainer. I feel like doing the rivals video. Comment down below if I should do a rivals video. All we need is just 1 trillion, and we're very close to that 1 trillion. Oh no. We got more guns though. You know, fast boy. We're popping. Pop. Oh, we're two. We don't have enough jump. Or do we? We have a lot of jump. Oh, we almost made it. Maybe we can go get a secret real quick. Let's do this for the program. Good idea. And I'm not working. Oh no. No! You failed me, Speed. You failed me. My Speed failed me. You. Down. Down. Oh, yo, that looks like a slash kill. A slash kill. What's happened, bro? No. I think I'm going so fast that I can't even really move incorrectly. Okay, so we need more money. I think it's a good enough for. Oh no. Oh no. I think we're good. We can make it. Never mind. Let's retry that. Never mind. We can't do it. I really thought we could, but we can't. And then let's try the super slow. But come on, we can't do super slow either. Are we just, like, I jumped too low? I want to put my email jump. Not worth it. So why is it so freaking small? Let's get to the secret area. We need the secret. No! I'm surprised no one did this thing. We need to get there. We're very close to what we need. Let's do it just because. We made it basically to the cosmic area. No! I was too late. I made it. I need to make it to the area. And we're in the cosmic area. We're not gonna make it. We made it. Let's go. Oh, we're so lucky. Yo, comment down to the potato team. Yo, we think we can make that? Nope. We're not gonna make it. Secret might be blown. We almost made it. I got a lucky block. Oh no. I don't have the IP. Okay, let's open our secret list. No, we can't have it. No, this is supposed to be a challenge. We need to sell it. No, we're not ending this challenge here. No. Well, I guess